Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Yeah, it's a coffin. Ano boy? Ano boy? Uy, tayo. So your followers can see. Maybe I could have increased subscription. Huh? Abigail.
Hello.
So how often do you visit Chako?
Not
Not often at all.
Yeah.
Why ba? Konti lang ang branches nito.
Wala sa amin.
Oh, yeah. So this is like a Korean buffet.
Your mom said, Brando, your children have said
Thank you. Perfect. Fine.
Mangang ba ito? Mangang. Oh, yo.
Thank you. One more. One other spoon, Lord.
It's good.
Yes, it's good.
It's
How is
good.
it? How is it? It's good? It's really good? All right. Yes. So we saw this Korean buffet, Korean barbecue buffet in Scarborough. And I think it's, what is it? $39.99 for dinner time. On a Saturday, they charge a little extra now because it's already considered dinner time. But I think it's well worth it because it comes with a chef.
That's right.
It's called, what's the name of the chef?
Chef Aiden.
Chef Aiden. And right now Chef Aiden is flipping the ribs, the Korean ribs, and mushrooms and tofu, right?
Yeah.
And we have like snapper, we had shrimp, we had pork and chicken, and we have a celebrity with us. Currently she only has 6.2 million followers. Yeah.
I'm proud.
Right. I'm always proud of you. Yeah.
We're cooking good.
Very proud. Yeah, they're cooking very
They
good.
have some fruit. They have toothache
Yeah.
and stomachache. Look.
By the way, she's gonna be in California next year in June. So if you wanna meet her there, she'll
There's a
be in
meet
San
and greet.
Diego.
Look at that. Aiden cooking. That's our new chef.
Chef Yosi.
Chef Boyardee.
What do you know about that?
Ang galing yung pindi
Huh?
I'm cooking. What's this?
Okay,
Chef Boyardee.
doing a good job, chef. Yeah, so a recap of our dinner at $39.99. I think it's good enough. So here's the thing, Chako. We are in Scarborough, and will I recommend this? Yeah, I think I'll recommend it. For a lunch, it's $36.99. That's pretty good. you know, it's not that great, but it's really unlimited because you don't even have to ask. They just bring everything to your table. Yeah. So I experimented it on these people right here, and they're like, yeah, and they eat a lot, these people. Yeah, so you know.
That's a sign of hope.
Here we have Kingston, 60 degrees, cloudy. And tomorrow, look at all these temperatures. Contrary to California, Southern California temperature of 95, 100 degrees. Yeah, I prefer this. It's really good. So what can you tell about our trip to Montreal? Can you give me a little bit of French? Can you give me? Can you give me a little bit of French fries?
Croissant.
Okay, we just ordered Tim Hortons, and this is really better than McDonald's.
Starbucks.
And Starbucks. Yeah. See that? Classic bacon, cream cheese, that's my favorite. And we ordered some Timbits. You know what Timbits are? They're Tim Hortons donut holes. And yep. And there's one ice cap right there, but we'll order that later on our next Tim Hortons stop. Okay? So yung mga turista natin, yeah. See? Yeah, no? Si Marites 1, and then Marites 2. Marites 3 is not with us today. He's with Maritos 3. Yeah. Yeah. Ito.
I've been so much nicer to her, less stricter. Right there.
Right here, Notre Dame. Oh, haba ng pila.
Your destination is on the right.
What? Is the pila?
Kung yung masa pupunta mo kasi may tour dito.
Right there.
It's a friend. So of course we only understand. Yeah, that's the only way.
Matabangin yun.
We don't have the spare
Dim sum day today.
Ayun isa yung mahagaw.
Ginagawa, pinakain mo kayo.
Welcome. More food to come. Sakit. Bungbungalan. You got tummy ache? Huh? Okay, good job.
Happy birthday, dear Mama. Papa Miles. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow, blow, blow. Blow, 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 blow.
Why do you blow it? Why are you blowing it?
I know, the fake
Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it. Yay!
Why did he blow it?
Nag-blow na kami.
Sickness.
Just take it out.
Letters on the sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul.